Do you own a Kia Forte in a colder climate and are considering a block heater? Here's a tutorial how to do it yourself and reduce costs. The block heater and cord itself are about $90 from the dealer. What you have to do is you got to remove the air box. I've already had the bolts undone for sake of speed. Apply some high temperature lubricant to the block heater itself. Make sure that you align the clips so that you can get it in the lock area. And you push, and it locks in. The finished product is the orange thing there. And it just sits neatly in the block. The cord comes with several clips. You just clip it onto the lines where it's convenient. And then it's just a matter of putting your air box back. And you're done.